What if I call you James? Come and solve this problem on the board. How will you tackle it? How will you solve it? First of all, if you're in today's class, say prayers in the comment section. And if you're just joining us, I make Tutor John The Scientist and I make math and physics easy and accessible to everybody online. So without no wasting time, let's get straight to it. So now the question is, what is the volume of 8.0 gram of oxygen at S.T.P? We have the atomic mass of oxygen to be 16. We have the molar gas volume to be 22.4 g.m.v at S.T.P at standard temperature and pressure. So now moving on. To solve this problem, first of all, we need to calculate for the molar mass of oxygen, which is O2 will be equal to 16 times 2, which is 32 gram per mole. 32 gram per mole. Right? So now moving on. In order for you to solve this problem, you need to know the number of moles that 8 grams contains. So using the formula, number of moles equal to mass divided by the molar mass. Are you following? Mass divided by the molar mass. So what do you do next? Move on. You have the mass to be 8 according to the question. And of course you have the molar mass to be 32. And if we divide this, we have 0.25. That is 1/4, 1/4. So now, after calculating for this, we go straight to calculate the volume of 8 grams of oxygen, right? Now we can just solve this particular problem in 2 ways. I'll go the first one. The first one is to relate it in terms of their mole. Recall I said earlier that 1 mole of O2 or 1 mole of any substance contains 22.4 g.m.v of it. Then 0.25 mole contains X. Now for this X part, you can see, of course, cross multiplying, we have 22.4 times 0.25, which is equal to 5.6 dm³. 5.6 dm³. You can also solve it another way. Recall earlier that we calculated the molar mass of oxygen. Molar mass refers to the mass of 1 mole of a substance expressed in grams. So now moving on, we can say that 32 grams of oxygen has 22.4 dm³. Then 8 grams of oxygen will be equal to 22.4 divided by 4, because we can see on this side 2 divided by 4 is 8. So 22.4 divided by 4 is same thing as 22.4 times 0.25, because 0.25 is 1/4, which can be equal to 5.6 as well. 5.6 dm³. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.